We're going to go over the microphone clip, and basically the video is set up to give you a distinct difference between different microphone clips, because not all microphone clips are created equally. The low price of the microphone clip that we're selling for just means that it's going to be what we consider best in class. Is it going to be top of the line? No, because you pay probably $40 for a really high-end microphone clip, but for most people you don't need that. You just need the best there is for the money that you're spending. Now, these are all basically relatively within the same price range, maybe even cheaper, but traditionally a lot of microphone clips, they're really rigid. So if you look at these, this is made for a wireless microphone. This is specific to a certain handheld, and it's pretty rigid. This is rigid. You know, there's not many microphones that would even fit in this. And then you have the microphone clip that you're getting. Can you tell us which is which? And that's the problem. You'll find other people selling stuff cheaper. You always get what you pay for. Between these two, can you really tell which one is the one that we're selling? They actually look a lot alike. But when you look closer, you'll see a clear difference. This is the one that we're utilizing. This holds both corded and wireless microphones, and we have it set up here. This is a standard wireless, and it goes on there. And then the corded mics, because they're thinner, it'll be a little bit loose, but the head of the microphone should sit right down on there, very easy to take on and off. One of the things we tell people is just to be careful how you put it in and out, because you can abuse it and later on crack it. Now, you look at these two microphone clips. This is actually a cheaper one. So if you see a microphone clip that you think is the same as the one we're selling, yet it's a different model. And if you look, this is more rigid. It's the cheaper rigid one. See the difference? I have to push twice as hard to get this to do this, and this is half the pressure, and it will flex outward as well. So there is a big difference. Now, I also, as we were setting up the table, I set the mic clips on the floor, and look what happened to this one because it's so rigid. I accidentally, just with the corner of my shoe, stepped on it and cracked it. So that gives you an idea of how easy that is to break. So of all the choices, instead of us selling so many different mic clips, we would rather just sell what we consider is the biggest bang for the buck.